The PXR automated swing arm from Chief is easy to install, operate, and is backed by software designed to protect your display. It is designed to handle displays between 32 and 65 inches and up to 150 pounds. To make installation easy, the mount comes with a hanger bracket so the installer will not have to support the weight of the arms while hanging. Simply hang the lower bracket and then lower the mount onto the tabs, then lag through the upper mounting slots. The mount ships in manual mode to protect internal components from damaging during transit. Once the mount is hung, the drive motor for extension and retraction can be engaged underneath each arm. This feature also allows for easy servicing. The open wall plate design on the PXR provides multiple options for outlet placement. The placement shown is recommended and will be hidden behind plastic cover pieces that come with the mount. The PXR also has cable management options along the wall uprights and along each arm. Route the mount's power cable behind the wall uprights and behind a cable tunnel along the base of the arm. This provides a clean appearance and simple cable management. There is also enough space in the cable tunnels to coil excess cable before plugging the mount in. The PXR ships with the infrared eye that can be plugged in near the top middle of the mount. There is also an input in the same location for RS-232 control and an IR repeater. The interface bracket has a diamond that should be centered on the back of the display. The diamond also allows the installer to locate where the display will land on the wall because it lines up with the center of the mount. The interface bracket is a simple two-upright interface that hangs directly onto the PXR. A universal parts bag provides the hardware, including the necessary spacers, to attach the uprights to the back of the display. To secure the uprights to the PXR, use the provided standard or security hardware and the bracket locks. To manage cables from the display to the wall, open the cable management tracks and simply lay the cables into the arms. The tracks are on the upper and lower sections of both arms and easily snap open and closed. You can route power and signal cables, along with the IR sensor, along either arm between the wall and the display. Cables may be managed in front of or behind the knuckles of the arms. Plastic cover pieces are provided to achieve a finished appearance for the mount. As mentioned, one of the cover pieces can hide the outlet and plugins on the right side of the mount. The other cover conceals the circuit board and power plug-in for the mount. The mount ships with an IR remote to control the arm. Use the directional buttons to move the display or save up to 4 presets. The PXR mount sits in the home position with under 4.5 inches of depth. The extension of the mount goes out to 27 inches. For a lower profile, use the PAC 502 in-wall box for a profile of less than 1 inch. The tilting function on the PXR can adjust the viewing angle between 0 and 12 degrees. The panning of the display can range from 75 to 90 degrees depending on screen size. For larger screens, teach the mount the dimensions of the display using the remote. The remote also has a one-touch home button. This will collapse the mount to the home position on all 3 axes simultaneously, allowing the mount to travel smoothly and reach the home position more quickly. Additionally, the control board can be programmed to learn the weight, dimensions, and pan distance of the display. Through a series of button pushes on the remote, the PXR will learn these specifications. This not only protects the display and walls, but it also makes the Chief PXR the easiest automated mount on the market to program and use.